Hi guys, thank you for joining me on my video. This is a different video, normally different from what I usually bring you guys, but anyway, because of the support, some of the new subscribers, hello and thank you for joining our family. And then those of you who come and watch my videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Today, because of the love and support you guys have showed me on my previous video and the new subscribers, I thought I should do a sit-down video just to show you guys what I packed for my 5 months on a road trip. Just a few things that I put in her bag that will help me on this journey. And I would like to thank you guys so much for the support on the previous videos. Guys, when I see my analysis for the content, I realize that most of you are not subscribed. Please subscribe and support your girl and motivate me to make more videos, because this was actually a motivation to begin with. Anyways, I just don't want to waste so much of your time. Thank you guys again for the support, and then click on that notification bell whenever I upload a video so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. But without further ado, well, this is her bag. You could call it a cabin bag, a duffel bag. This is a duffel bag. These are basically her 2 bags that I have carried. Without further ado, let's go into this video. I categorized my child's packing in 7 categories. She's the one in the background. She's a little when the attention is not on her, she will kind of like tell me, Mama. Well, I put everything in my notes so that I do not forget. About 7 categories. I have entertainment, stroke lounge. I have sleep, stroke rest, eat, stroke feed, move, stroke travel, play, clothing, bath, stroke grooming. So those are like 7, isn't it? Yeah. This is her bag, my baby's bag. I call her biscuits because she's like a biscuit, and I love biscuits because I love tea. So anyway, first things first, obviously I have used them, but I have some diapers. So she's a size 4 right now. I'll begin with clothes. Okay, so that's why I have these bags. They're like for laundry, but I really like to carry them organizers in her bag. So I literally put in her hats, different hats and socks, and yeah, all different kinds of socks in here. So you can use them for anything literally. So if I go somewhere and I need to wash again, I will still use this for washing. Yeah, so they dry easily, they're netted. So, and then I have this. Again, it's another if it's too bright, I'm so sorry, but this is another kind of like bag. It has all onesies, but because it's summer, I'm not using so many. I just put onesies in here. Had different kind of onesies. There are actually many. It carries a lot. And then I have this as well. Again, this right here. So this is as well like one of those things you use for washing, but again, they help me organize inside. So here I still have all her clothes. Here I have like her little t-shirt. This is summertime, so I carried everything in between just in case we go out. When we're inside, she feels very cold easily. Things like this for her summer. It's like a dress. Yeah. Oh yeah, when I pull back, something like this, you know, long sleeve. So I carried different short, long sleeves depending on where we're going. Still dealing with the clothing categories. I carried 4 onesies. I carried 3 pairs of stockings, the long stockings. This. I carried 3 of those. 3 hats, carried different hats, a sunny hat, a bucket hat, and the very cold to cover her ears, those type of hats. So I carried different types of hats. Icelandic weather is a bipolar, and then outside onesie. So the outside onesie, this is it. So this she wears when it's super duper windy, and sweater is right here. So sometimes when we're inside the house and she's wearing t-shirts, she gets a little cold. And then next I have a pair of gloves and socks, which were right in here, and 2 vests and 6 t-shirts, because it's summer I carried more t-shirts. That's about clothing. So now next we will move on. That is clothing finished. So now we'll move on to bath stroke grooming. So with bath I have a towel, which is right here. I have a towel and I have a diaper bag. I showed you guys earlier. This is her diaper bag. I have the changing mats, the disposable ones. I like to carry these because you can literally, when she spoils, you just throw away. But also in the diaper bag comes with one of these mats that I could easily use in case I run out of the changing. So you buy smart, it's literally wipe off, clean, and you're good to go. Use it again. And a basin that I'll show you later. A toilet bag. So I have her toilet bag right here. And then contents of her toilet bag, what I have here: bath gel. I have her cloth for washing her, this for combing her, and this in case she drops her pacifier. This water is really good to clean, it kills bacteria and all that. And then I have obviously her nail kit, so you'll see that this is it. It has everything for grooming her because her nails grow pretty so fast. These creams: nappy cream when she gets a nappy rash, face cream, body cream, nappy, body and face. These are the creams I use for her. And then in that I have this nozzle sucker. I definitely carry this when I'm picking up her biggest. I have this touch. subscribe, I see you, I'm watching you. Yeah, so anyways, I have this like a light, so I don't have to use like a strange deep, you know, very lighty. So this is good. Subscribe. That helps with, sometimes she gets allergies on her skin. Trash. This is her vitamin. I give her an oral vitamin. This is as well in her bag. This is to pick her boogers as well. And a thermometer. I always take this with me because, girl, what if you're somewhere and you feel her hot and you're not sure what the temperature is like? So yeah, this is the thermometer. I carry as well Panados for her in case. So recently she just got vaccinated, so yes, I use this in case she gets a fever or a temperature. So that's all I have in my bag. So the bag is right here. So this is literally everything I have in the bag. Toilet bag. And we move on. We finished clothing and we finished bath. We're going to entertainment, like iPad and chair. She's using it right now, so her chair helps me. I can place her in, fasten her in there, and then I go do things very quick. I don't have to take her everywhere with me. An iPad, of course, it's not really needed, but we thought she likes to watch baby TV. Icelandic, there's this TV. It's not like cartoon TV, no. This one is basically rhymes. It teaches colors, animals, songs. Basically, it's like a teaching channel for kids. So we were like, okay, why not get her iPad? We put on this TV for her. I'll just grab it real quick. What we get her. Currently, she's watching. You hear her. She's not happy. So this is what we get her for her entertainment. So sometimes when I'm busy, so I place her in a chair and she will watch. All right, we move on. And then we move on to breast. I have a bed. I will show you. Then I have 2 sheets. I have these sheets and her blanket. You know, when you go to hotels and you know, you can't put your kids in any kind of blanket. Okay, if you're watching this video, this is her favorite blanket, by the way. She loves these blankets because she likes to look at these balls. It has a flat pillow. Parents, don't give your kids these blown up pillows like full grown up. We've covered entertainment, sleep, clothing, bath and groom. We are only remaining with in move. I have to attend to my baby and I'll be right back. Guys, again with sleep, I forgot this. I really carry it. It's so good. It helps her. She gets really hot. Sometimes she really hates to be hot. So when she gets uncomfortable, even when we take a shower in the evenings, she gets hot for some reason. So I use this. It soothes her. Obviously I put it at a distance, but it's portable enough to give her. And the good thing with this, it has adjustments to the strength in the fan that it gives, so I'll put it on literally the lowest. I have to attend to my baby. I think she lost the toy. So this, and then with the monitor, I literally, call me crazy, I go ever with this monitor. I need to make sure my baby's okay, or she starts tossing and turning, lost her pacifier. I need to make sure this, so I carry it with me everywhere I go. So oh good, I don't have to be crazy. I just look on my phone and voila. For eating, I brought bottles of the different kinds. These are for my pump feeding. She doesn't like feeding with bottles, so I just bring them anyways. A pump, I was using it earlier. Sometimes I'm engorged and she's asleep. What to do? So this, very handy. Medela, perfect. It's so portable. I put it in my mommy bag, and this, voila. I have some porridge. She is not seriously on porridge yet, but in case I am like stressing out, I don't have enough milk, and so I get instant and just mix it. And that brings us to her feeding tools. I just have one plate and a spoon at least, and her food. This is so good because I mean, whatever eats, you don't have any, you know, mess on her clothes. A flask for hot water to the reception, and they'll give you hot water so you can mix her porridge. With play, I have some toys. She has these toys. She eats all her toys now, so I buy toys that are plasticky, silicone, that are good with her teeth and her, you don't want to buy her fur things, so I buy her. Actually, the dad is very good at picking these up. Colors, she loves colors at the moment, so she gets. Then I have pacifier case, but these are in my diaper bag, so I will definitely show you what I carry around in my diaper bag. She has one with her, so these are my substitutes. So yeah, they have a case as well. I have this on the go. Oh, food stock porridge. So sometimes I carry her food as 4 months when we came. I don't know if you see that, but it's 4 months, it says. So this is a 4 months baby food, so I carry these as well. Just have it just in case I don't want her to be hungry. And on the road, we're driving hours and hours. So moving, I have a stroller. It's downstairs. I can't carry the whole stroller with me, but I'll show you anyway. A car seat that's in the car, I will still show you guys. And then I have my mama bag and a diaper bag that I showed you. I literally need to wrap up and finish. So in my mama bag, this came with her stroller. On the side here, I put her pacifiers. If I'm on the go, I just literally drop in the pacifiers, and this is like thermal. It kills in my mama bag. I still have a disposable changing mat, pads, diapers, and I have another bottle. So this is my mama bag. So when I'm going on it, I will carry this. It came with a stroller again. So yeah, this is my mama bag. Anyway, I want to wrap up this video because she's getting really agitated, and I said I have 7 categories. I have entertainment, sleep, eat, move, play, clothing, bath, stroke, groom. So I'll put them, I think, in the description. I think that's much exactly what I have on the move for this, the quantities and all this. I will put exactly this list. Like, you would think I'm joking. What I pack for a 4 months, what I pack for my 4 months on a road trip, guys. Literally, I don't know if you see that. Oh yeah, that's focused. So yeah, that's that's everything. So I have for her and have for mama. Next time I'll make that video, but yeah, that's what I have. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I have to go and attend to her. Thanks again for watching. I really hope you liked my sit down video. I don't want it to be too long, but thanks guys for watching. My alarm clock is calling. Bye. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you so much for watching the video thus far. If you've come this far with the video and ended it, thank you. You're the real MVP. And for the returning subscribers, you have my respect. Thank you. And to those guys who have come who are new, my name is Mira Bantis, and I'm here. I bring you videos, outdoor videos, and recently I'm a new mom, so it's just content of how I navigate around this new tide of mine as a mom. Thank you again for watching, and by the way, as I came here to wrap up the video. So I have not met up, I have not worn makeup since I think I had my baby. So when my baby saw me, she woke up and she saw my red lips. As I told you earlier, she likes playing with colorful toys, so she was trying to grab my lips, and I'm like, I need to make a video, I need to make sure I finish my video. Otherwise, respect to everybody who does a sit down video. There's so much involved, so much, not like me on the go, the videos that I make. Anyway guys, thank you again. I just wanted to end here this video. Thank you for the support, and I will put all the details of the things that I pack in quantities and exactly what they are. But yeah, from me and mine, I just want to say thank you again, please. And according to my analytics, guys, I see 88% of the people watching my videos are not subscribing. Please, what you doing? It's free, it's fun, it's lit over here. Anyways, yes, it's lit over here, and if you have subscribed, please push on that notification bell, get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I hope you like my content. And guys, just your thoughts, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, all this is motivation. Actually, everything that from all the new subscribers and all this, the love I've seen, the support, this is why I made this sit down video. This is why I put on all this energy, because I literally have an infant, and just to get ready and put all the equipment together and make sure I have everything together is a piece of work. And respect to everybody who does sit down videos. But anyways, thank you guys again. I just love this lighting. The lighting is so beautiful. But guys, thank you again for the support. I'm just ending this video today, and yeah, I will continue with my travel vlogs and my hotel, reviews, or what I show you around the hotels. And once in a while I'll be coming on with these sit down videos, but girl, it's the work. Anyways, bye. And then I have this for combing her hair when I'm washing her hair. Hi guys. Well, take two. Hi guys. Yes, it's a sit down video with me today. Hi guys, thank you for joining me. What's good? What's up? Thank you for all the new subscribers, by the way. Thank you for the love. Hi. 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 You guys who do sit down videos, hi.